All right, so earlier this year, I showed you how to set up backing up from your Home Assistant to your network attached storage. Where I walk through of, go ahead and how to connect up and set up your network storage here, and then walk through and how to set up your backups here. Well, I'm going to show you the next step in that, which is to have a good, robust 3-2-1 backup solution. So backing up on your system itself, backing up also another copy inside your network. So my case, my NAS, and then a third place off-prem, off-site. I do ship my NAS backups off-site, but I'm going to show you how to directly integrate that with your Home Assistant. So in the last update for Home Assistant, they added some additional integrations. Those integrations fall into this new category now called backups. So we have backups for S3 buckets, Azure Storage account, Google Drives, etc. Right? So I am a Azure fan, so I'm going to ship it to an Azure Storage account. Go ahead and click this Add Integration option. It's going to open up on my system here. Have me plug in some details. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe this over to the right, and then you're going to see a side-by-side screen. What you're seeing over here on the right side is my storage account already set up and configured. It's not set up for backups, but put in the name of the account itself. So storage account name is that name there. Then the next thing you're going to need to put in is going to be your name of your container. I don't want to use this container name. I'm actually going to use a pre-existing container name. I do the little fancy things of provisioning myself a different way. So paste that container name there like so. Then I'm going to give it a key. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you my key, but I'll rotate this key and also probably dispose of this account anyway. So set that up that way there. Click that and bam. Now it is configured. All right. So the next step in this is to go ahead and get the backup set up. So let's go over here to my backups again. Click my backup options. And I'm going to go ahead and say locations that I want to back up to. I'm going to also say Azure Storage account or Azure Storage, I guess, as it says there, Azure Storage. And come back out here and do a backup now just to show that it's working. So I'm going to do a manual backup. I'm going to say what I want to back up, which is all these things. We'll go ahead and just say like everything. Next, choose the location. I'm going to say a custom location, just ship it straight there. Backup name, I'm going to say the date, so 05-31-25, right? So there we go. And hit the backup button. Okay, so after a few minutes there to finish the backup, I can go back over to my storage account and look inside that container now. And I do see a backup file there now that shows that a backup was completed at 11 a.m. today using the file name I gave it. And then I can see the size of it, and then it says that it's available. That's it.